Morning, afternoon, evening, from wherever you're watching. You're welcome back once again to the Mickey Mouse Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex things look easy. Alright, if you're here to hit the subscribe button, share, like the page, tell your friends about the Mickey Mouse Class. Alright, in our series of number-based system, we have been looking at number-based system. Today we'll be looking at converting decimal numbers to other bases. For example, look at example 1. Convert 0.653 in base 10 to base 2. How do we do that? The first thing we do, we'll multiply the 0.653 by 2. Now take note, it is only the decimal part I'm going to multiply 2 by, because I'm going to base 2. So I multiply only the decimal part. This is the whole number part. We do not touch it, neither do we multiply it. So 3 times 2 will give us 6. 2 times 5 will give us 10. That's 0. You carry your 1. 2 times 6, that's 12, plus 1, that's 13. 13, we carry the 1 here and put it here. 1 plus 0. Take note, we are not multiplying this part. We have no business with this part. Now, we go again, times 2. 6 times 2, you have 12. 2, carry 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 2 times 3, you have 6. Because there is no remainder, we put dot 0 here. Because like I told you, we don't multiply this part. So if there is no remainder, when you multiply 2 by the digit that is here, you put a 0. Now, times 2, the next thing, 2 times 2, you have 4. 2 times 1, you have 2. 2 times 6, you have 12. That's 2, carry the 1. You put your 1 here. You can go on and on, but let's stop in this place. 2 times 4, you have what? 8. 2 times 2, you have 4 here. 2 times 2 here, you have 4. Dot 0. You can go on and on. Now take note. These are the series of answers. The numbers here are the answers. The ones you are seeing here are the answers to that. Now, so therefore our 0.653 in base 10 will be equals to, now you read it downwards. You know, when we were, the other one, we were reading down to up, but now this one is up to down. So that will be 0.1010 base 2. So we have ended up converting this number in base 10 to base 2. So take note, you multiply only the decimal point, or the decimal part, by 2. You go on and on until you get to the last point. The last point, sometimes you can leave it to 4. You can go on and on. You can keep repeating 0, 1, 0, 1. That's all. You know, in base 2, we only have 2 digits, 0 and 1. So take note, when you have finished multiplying, you read it from down up to the down part, 1, 0, 1, 0, like we have here. All right, let's look at example 2. Example 2 says express 473.5625 in base 10 as a binary number. There are 2 steps to it. The first part is to express this whole number part, which is 473, as a binary number. That's a number in base 2. Then we deal with the decimal point, that's 0.5625. Then we'll combine the answer. So the first step, step 1, let's convert 473 to a binary number. And how do we do that? We do that by successive division by 2. So let's go 2 in 4, that's 2. 2 in 7, that's 3, remainder 1. 2 in 13, that's 6, remainder 1. We'll go again. 2 in 2, that's 1. 2 in 3, 1, remainder 1. 2 in 16, that's 8, remainder 0. We'll go again. 2 in 11, that's 5, remainder 1. 2 in 18, that's 9, remainder 0. We'll go again. 2 in 5, that is 2, remainder 1. 2 in 19, that's 9, remainder 1. We go again, 2 here, 1. 2 in 9, that's 4, remainder 1. Now 2 in 14, that's 7, remainder 0. 2 in 7, that's what, 3, remainder 1. 2 in 3, that will give us what, 1, remainder 1. 2 in 1, that's 0, remainder 1. Now we have ended up with the first part. You read it upwards. So therefore 473 in base 10 will give us 111011001 base 2. Now we have dealt with the first part. The second part is the decimal part. We'll come here, 0.5625 times, we are going to base 2, so you multiply it by 2. Remember, like I said in the first example, we are only multiplying the decimal part. Nothing concerns us with the whole number part here. So this is 2 times 5, that's 10, 0, carry 1. 2 times 2, 4, plus 1, 5. 2 times 6, that's 12, 2, carry 1. 2 times 5 is 10, plus this one, 11, carry the 1. That's 1. Multiply again by 2. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1, 5. Now 2 times 2 times 1 is 2. So 0, since there is no remainder, we'll put 0 here. Multiply again by 2. 2 times 0 will give us 0. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 5 is 10. 0, carry 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1, 5. You add that 0. Multiply by 2 again. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 5 is 10. So that's 0, plus you carry the 1. You have 1 here. No other number is remaining in the decimal part, so we stop there. Now these are what we need. 1, 2, 3, those digits here. Now we'll read it downwards. You know, when we are dividing, this one is the opposite. If we are dividing here, we'll read it from down to up, but from this place we read our answer up to down. So 0.5625 base 10 equals to 0.1001 base 2. So we combine these two together. Therefore 473.5625 in base 10 equals to 111011001 point. We add this other part there, 0.1001 base 2. So don't forget, it's step by step. Do the whole number part, convert it to base 2. When you are done, convert the decimal part to base 2, then add the numbers together. All right, in our usual style, I hope you have learned today. Before we go, let's see take home fun. The first question says convert 0.748 in base 10 to a number in base 2. The second one says convert 521.7324 to base 2. I hope we have learned today. Let me know the answers. Put the answers in the comment section. If there's any aspect of mathematics you are finding challenging or you find challenging, put it in the comment section. Any aspect of mathematics, and we will attend to it. I hope you have learned today. Before we go, if you are yet to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button, share and like the video, tell your friends about the Mickey Mouse class, and we'll see you in the next class. Catch ya. Bye.